In this class, we will discuss some important topics. Each one is important for 2 marks. First one, application of expansion of solids. Why we are studying expansion of the solids? Is there any use in our daily life? Now first, you see the railway track like this. This is the railway track between two successive lines. Like this. This is one like this. This is the railway track. Between the two successive, some gap is left. This is the gap. This is also gap. This is the railway track. These are okay. Now this is the gap between the two successive lines. This is the gap. This is also gap. Why the gap is left between the two successive lines? Means gap is left between two successive lines in the railway track. Why? In a summer, temperature is increases, so that are expands. How much that are expand? By considering of that, the gap is left between the rails in the railway track. But the first application, gap is left between two successive rails in the railway track. Why means? In the summer, that maybe expands. By the consideration of that, the gap is left. Means here you write due to expansion in summer. Okay? Due to expansion in summer. This is the first one and important for 2 marks lesson. Now let us take iron tire. You take bull cart. In a bull cart, it has wooden wheel. This is the bull cart. This is the wooden wheel, like this. This is the wheel. Around the wheel, iron tire is present. This iron tire is not leaves. Iron tire is not leaves from the wooden wheel of bull cart. Why means the iron tire is first heated by the blacksmith. Blacksmith is heated that, then after he was fixed that on the wooden wheel and riveted. Means by using a nail it was pushed, rivet. So after some time, whatever temperature decreases, it is not leaves. That's why iron tire is fixed on the wooden wheel of bull cart by heating. And wound around it. Heating and wound around it. Okay? These are the 2 applications. This is very, very important for 2 marks. Okay, next one. Another topic. This is also one of the small topic, that is bimetallic strip. Bimetallic strip temperature effect. Bimetallic means 2 metals. Which we can take here, one is copper, another one is steel. First one is copper, another one is steel. Copper expansion is more, but steel expansion is less. Copper expansion is more, immediately that is expands. The expansion of the copper is more than the expansion of the steel. We take that 2 in the form of a thin sheets, very thin sheets, and you can stick on together. We will take that in the form of one sheet. It is called as bimetallic strip. Now, this is the bimetallic strip, copper and steel. When the temperature is increases, when the heat energy is given, if you give the heat energy, automatically temperature what happens? Increases. When the temperature is increases, it is expands but selects one shape. It is expands but selects one shape. What is that shape? Convex shape. Select which one? Convex shape, like this. When this shape is selected, temperature is increases. It selects the convex shape. If the temperature is decreases, it selects another shape, that is concave shape. Bimetallic strip selects the convex shape when temperature is increases. Selects the concave shape when temperature what happen? Decreases. This is important in this chapter for 4 marks. When it is expands, when it is contrast. You must draw the diagrams. By the diagrams you must be explained. How you can explain? The expansion of the copper is more than the steel. That's why when the temperature increases, it selects the convex shape. When the temperature is decreases, it selects the concave shape. But what is the use of this? This bimetallic strip, it is used in the automatic refrigerators. If in your houses refrigerator is there, you watch that sometime the machine is runs, after some time the machine is switched off, is motor in it, motor runs, and after some time it is itself fully switched off, then after itself fully it is switched off. Why it is happened? Why it is means in the automatic refrigerator one strip is provided. The strip is bimetallic strip. It is used in the automatic refrigerators. Next, it is used in the thermostats, micro ovens. Thermostat means to keep the room is warm. Especially in cold countries, not in our India. Okay, in our India also some cold places. Thermostats they are used when the temperature is very less, especially in winter season. The temperature is very less. To keep the room is warm, we use the thermostats. And next for microwaves, you can see that in bakery shops. Bakery shops you can put samosa and another food items, egg puff, curry puff, that are kept in one box, that is called micro oven. In the micro oven also this bimetallic strip is used. Not only that, in automatic iron box also this bimetallic strip is used. Number of applications are there. Only I am mentioned 2. Why means it is very important for 2 marks. Okay. Where the automatically machine is works, where the automatic machine is automatically works, at that place compulsory bimetallic strip is used. Next, okay, this is one topic. Contraction of solids by temperature. Question. Can the solids are expand? Give example. This is the question. What is the question? Can the solids are contrast? Give example. Answer is yes. Solids are contrast, but not all. Some of the solids are contrast. What are that? In the solids, only one metal. In the solids, only one metal is contrast, not expand. Contrast. What is that one? Cast iron. Cast iron is only metal. Contrast. Okay. Non-metals. Rubber, non-metal. Polyethylene, non-metal. Plastic, non-metal. Skin, non-metal, etc. These non-metals also contrast. But non-metals also is solid. Rubber is a solid. Plastic is a solid. That are contrast when the temperature is increases. But what is a metal? Only one metal. What is that metal? Cast iron. That's why cast iron is only metal. Remaining non-metals. Rubber, polythene, plastic, skin, etc. Solids or contracts when temperature of them is increases. Okay? This topic is important for 2 marks. Can a solids or contrast? Give an example. Answer is yes. You write these are examples. Okay? Right. Another 2 marks question. Inverse steel. Inverse steel. This is a metal. This metal neither expands nor contrasts by increasing its temperature. When the temperature increases, it is not expands nor contrast. That metal is inverse steel. What is the use of this? It is used as a tape from a scale to measure the length. I think you are also using a scale to make a lines in mathematics. In mathematics books or in a plain paper you can make a lines. Scale is provided. If it is a transparent limit, if it is metal, you are using a scales to make a lines. In geometry box you have it. If it is a transparent limit, but if it is a metal, compulsory is made by the which one? Inverse steel. Inverse steel is used to prepare tapes from a scales to measure the length. Otherwise, you go to the textile merchant shop. If you want to purchase any shirt piece or a point piece, he can ask how much length is required, sir. He can use one scale. That scale is made by the which metal? Inverse steel. Okay. Next one. What is another use? It is used as a pendulum in wall clock to measure the time. Pendulum in a wall clock. It is made by which metal? Inverse steel. It is a metal. That's why it is neither expands nor contrasts. You know that one? In summer temperature is small. It is not expands. In winter temperature is less. It is not contrast. That's why the inverse steel is used to measure the length as a scale and also used as a pendulum to measure the time. Yes, these topics are important for 2 marks questions. Okay, expansion of solids under this topic. What we have studied, types of expansions, alpha, beta, gamma, then after relation and applications, bimetallic stream, next contraction of solids and inverse. Okay, these are the topics under the expansion of the solids. Okay, these all the topics are important for 2 marks.